Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to accept a proposal on Guru. Here's a detailed guide on how to accept a proposal on Guru. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Guru account. Open your browser and navigate to www.guru.com. Click on Login or Sign in the top right corner. Enter your account credentials and click Login to access your dashboard. This is what the dashboard looks like. Once logged in, navigate to Job section from your dashboard. This is usually found in the main menu. So here, dashboard, find work, job, and payment. So click on Jobs. Now, click on the jobs, which we have done, to view a list of jobs that you have posted. Now, for you to accept a proposal from a freelancer, it means you need to be signed into your Guru employer account. Guru has two accounts, employer account and freelancer account. This is what the freelancer account looks like. All right, but the employer account has a slightly different interface because it is labeled differently. But it's very slight, so the difference is not too conspicuous. So I can show you how it works using my freelancer account. Hope that's okay. So head over to jobs, and in the jobs, you're going to see a list of all the jobs that you have posted. In your job listings, locate the job for which you received proposals. Now, click on the job title to open the job details page. On the job details page, look for a section labeled Proposals or Proposals Received. Click on this section to view all the proposals submitted by freelancers for that specific job. Browse through the submitted proposals, paying attention to each freelancer's qualifications, proposed rates, timelines, and any additional information they provided. You may want to compare proposals to determine which freelancer best fits your need. Once you found the proposal you want to accept, look for an Accept button or link associated with that proposal. Click on the Accept button to initiate the acceptance process. Then, a confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision to accept the proposal. Review the details again to ensure you are accepting the correct proposal. Then click on Confirm to finalize the acceptance. After accepting the proposal, you may be redirected to a page to set up payment terms, project milestones, or a workroom for collaboration. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete any necessary steps to finalize the hiring. After accepting the proposal, you can communicate with the freelancer directly through the messaging feature on Guru to discuss project details and expectations. By following the steps, you can successfully accept a proposal on Guru. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.